Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, make sure the device is unlocked and you have account access. Once ready, cut every network, turn on airplane mode, and disable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then open Settings, find what's app and force stop the app so it cannot contact backups. This prevents the automatic cloud restore handshake. If the app is mid-setup, do it immediately. Otherwise, keep the connection off while we remove local triggers. Make sure you stay offline until the next slide instructions complete. With the connection cut, clear WhatsApp app data from storage. That erases local metadata that can trigger a restore. Once cleared, uninstall the app so no background service can reconnect. Do not sign back into Google or iCloud yet and stay offline. This ensures the cloud backup cannot start automatically. If prompted by device to restore apps during reinstallation, decline, or skip. These steps remove both local and immediate app-based restore attempts. Now go to your cloud backup account, Google Drive or iCloud, and delete the WhatsApp backup file. This is the definitive stop. After deletion, reinstall WhatsApp while still offline, complete initial setup and deny any restore prompts, then finally sign in and re-enable connectivity. If a restore still attempts, force stop, clear data again, and verify no backups remain in the cloud. Troubleshooting tip: if a phantom restore persists, temporarily change the Google/iCloud password, sign out on the device, then repeat deletion and reinstall steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.